Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can lock layout on your Android phone. So if you guys are tired of accidentally moving or deleting apps on your home screen, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can lock your home screen layout so it stays exactly the way you want. So this is my current layout, as you guys can see here. And when I do this, the apps or anything on the home screen will be moved or deleted. So if you don't want to it happens on your home screen, you can do this trick. So what you need to do is just find the home settings on your Android. That are quickest way. On my phone personally, I'm going to just long press on the home screen like this, and there will be this pop-up, and just go to the home settings, and in here there will be this option to lock layout. You can find it under the home settings, or you can also find it in the settings, this one's right here. And then just find the home settings from here, go to the lock screen and wallpaper, and there will be this home settings like the one that I opened before. So when you enable the lock layout, let's just enable this and go back to the home screen. So the apps that I click, and as you guys can see, won't change its position or won't bother to change and cannot be deleted because the home screen layout is locked. So it will prevent the icons from being moved or deleted, and it also apply to widgets such as a clock in here. It won't be moved or deleted. If you want to unlock and rearrange your home screen again, you can just go back to the settings and find the home settings again, and just disable the lock layout option so you can move your home screen app icons again, just like this. And so that's all from me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. So if you think so, don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment if you still have question, and don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe button. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye.